Welcome back to another iOS 18 tutorial, everyone. In this video, we're going to show you how to unhide your apps on iPhone. Just follow my steps. Let's say I want to hide the TikTok app. I'll long press on it, then tap on Require Face ID, and after that, I'll tap on Hide. Now, my TikTok app is hidden and added to the hidden folder. So how do we unhide it? It's pretty simple. First, swipe all the way to the right until you reach the App Library section. Then, scroll to the bottom until you find the hidden folder. The apps in this folder won't be visible anywhere else. To unhide an app and see the contents of this folder, just tap on the hidden folder. Your iPhone will prompt you to scan your face with Face ID to confirm your identity. Once that's done, you'll see the TikTok application right here, and that's it. Your app will now be added back to the home screen and will be unhidden. If you're looking for more iOS 18 tutorials, I've got a playlist in the description of this video, so be sure to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.